Tracepos, smart solutions for your business.
Thank you very much. Work with me as I walk you through how to create products on Tracepos. So when creating products, product is usually under inventory management. So you come to inventory, you say inventory management, and you say products. Okay. We also have a shortcut here. We say add product. Once you click on it, it takes you to add a new product form, right? So it's basically creates new product. So this is you can see single item, variable type of product. We have service and we have raw material. So we are in this video we are going to look at how to create single item on Tracepos. So we are going to pick a product name. Let's say 33 Leisure Beer. Okay. So category, let me look for beer. Though we have beer, but if you don't have, you can easily enter beer, right? If it has a parent category, you can select the parent category. Okay. So, but since we have beer, we are not going to be creating one. So we'll say beer. Okay. Then brand, I think it's Nigerian brewery. So you can create the brand if it's not already on the system, or you can just select the brand if it is already on the 3 Leisure Beer. Then the barcode, you can either scan the barcode if you have it on hand. Okay, so you can scan the barcode of the beer if you have it on hand, or you can just type it in. Okay, so I don't have the barcode offhand, so I'm just going to click on generate. Okay, so you can fetch image for that 33 Leisure Beer. Let's say export. So you have to look for the exact industry name. Let's do the export. Okay. Primary unit of measurement. Let's say it's in pieces. Okay. So you sell in pieces. Then if you also sell in multiple units of measurement, you can say you sell in pieces and you sell in carton. Okay. And operator value is 12 conversion based unit, so you say 12 bottles, right? One carton because of 12 pieces, or we can call it bottles. So bottle. You can also create unit of measurement if it is not already on the system. So you enter the name, the full name and the short name. Okay, but we already have. So alternative price, let's say the carton price is let's assume it's 10,000. Okay, so you can also add more. Let's say half carton. Say this is 6. So half carton has 6 and it's 5,000. But in order of arrangement, for me, I would prefer half carton to come in the middle. 6, 5,000, and the carton should come below, which is assuming it's 10,000. Then the low stock warning, you can put 0. The current fiscal stock, let me put 0 so that we can purchase. And stock record date, we can leave that one blank. Then tax, you would select VAT, right? With tax, so tax is already included. Let's say we are selling one for 1,200. and we intend to, okay, let's say the cost price for one is 900. I want to make 30% on it. We can put 50%, but let us put 30%. And then the retail price is the maximum retail price. Let us put it as 0. Expiry date, if it has an expiry date, we can enter it. Let's say 2027. Let's say December 31st. Okay. If it has a batch number, you can enter the batch number here. So let's assume this is the batch number on the beer bottle. So we want it to notify us after 30 days, right? Or sorry, before 30 days of expiration of the product. Then supplier, you can enter a supplier if it is a so let us say GPPLC, for example. That has, or we can just remove the supplier. This product has unique serial number. This is for foam products, so we'll leave this one blank because it doesn't have unique serial numbers. So if you sell in wholesale, you can enter the wholesale price. Let's say we sell 1,000 naira wholesale price, but you must buy up to 3 cartons. That is 12 times 3. That's 36. 36 bottles. Okay, so you can put a description and you say safe products. So this is how easy it is to create a product on Tracepos. So thank you very much and God bless you.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at tracepos.net to learn more.